Hi, I'm John Osborne. I'm with the Osborne Group. I'm here today representing a few different product lines and manufacturers. One's going to be Unger commercial cleaning products. We're known for our floor clear cleaning equipment. This here is our new Unger Excella. It's got a S-drive formation on the handle here that provides reduction of repetitive worksite injury and also promotes best practices when it comes to mopping floor with microfiber products. We also have an indoor window cleaning kit here, which is our Stingray line item, and that's going to be utilized on indoor glass environments. It's going to help to increase productivity and reduce the amount of chemical that you're using to clean your windows. I'm also here with Americo Manufacturing. We manufacture a full line offering of floor pads, everything from standard cleaning red buff pads to black strip pads. We also have specialty pads such as our scrub pad, turf scrub pad here. This is going to be used on a bi-level surface to help get down into grout lines. I'm also here with Aerosol. Aerosol is a full line manufacturer of aerosol product. We have everything from germicidal cleaners to indoor air fresheners, both handheld and metered. And then we also have just standard furniture polish, window cleaning, and things along those lines as well. I'm also here today with M+A Matting. M+A is an American-made walk-off matting manufacturer, known mainly for their Water Hog product, which is a bi-level mat that helps to track dirt, dust, and debris into the mat at the front entryway. So, constructed with rubber, it's going to be able to help keep your facility clean throughout any season of the year. And those are the manufacturers I'm here with today, and look forward to having a great show here at Retailers.